And boom boom guys, as you can see, the Cash App Plus Plus app has been installed to our device. So guys, this is how you can get Cash App Plus Plus app for free in just 3 minutes by using our website. Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial on how to get Cash App Plus Plus for free for your iOS or Android device. In today's video, I will show you a simple way to get Cash App Plus Plus for free on your iOS device and Android completely for free. In just 3 minutes. All other YouTube videos you see on Cash App Plus Plus are fake. First things first, make sure your battery saver mode or low power mode is turned off. Open setting, go to General and click Background App Refresh. Make sure this is turned off. This is very important step. Okay, now open your browser. You can use any browser like Chrome, Internet or Safari. And go to monstergen.com. Make sure you type it correctly. Now, here you can find Cash App Plus Plus by scrolling, or you can search Cash App Plus Plus by typing. Okay, now click on Cash App Plus Plus and then click on Download Now and let's wait. Sometimes you need to complete a couple more steps. Simply follow the instructions on this website. After that you will be able to get this Cash App Plus Plus app for free. Okay guys, I have completed all the steps. Now let's check if the Cash App Plus Plus is successfully downloaded. And boom boom guys, as you can see, the Cash App Plus Plus app has been installed to our device. So guys, this is how you can get Cash App Plus Plus app for free in just 3 minutes by using our website. As I told you guys, this is the only working way to get Cash App Plus Plus app for your iOS device. It's work with any iOS or Android version, and it will work in future too. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment box. I will try my best to help everyone. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.